Mamimiss mo talaga. Wala naman dadaldal sa So guys, we have construction worker over there.
Construction worker.
Uy, di ba?
Andyan na si John Ray.
Yan ang one pack pandesal. Bago talaga si Paul, guys. Sinabi niya kanina parang na-sprain daw yung ilo.
Yung...
Uy, yung script natin kanina.
Impromptu na lang yan. Alam ko nila. Hindi ko nga din alam yung story namin. Diba? Anong chapter? 22.
Ano chapter kayo?
Yung play.
Sino 24?
So guys, our beloved choreographer is... Bye-bye. Where are you going?
She doesn't like you.
It's love-hate relationship. Everyone here is love-hate relationship. Even though we hate each other, we love still each other. We're very competitive, pero friendly competitive. Like that is Bebop.
We don't playing.
I want to play. You want to play?
Let's watch them.
Let's watch. Let's watch only. Alvaro. Okay, let's watch. So guys, this is us walking to the...
It's still very hot.
Shit.
Parang,
So guys, why is Matt over there called Daging Tukol? Oh my god. Oh, they have bats. Bats.
Sagi, kapalagi sa utak, dahan-dahan, pagkatok.
Tok 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 tok. Tok tok tok. Bree Bree.
Hi, Bree!
Bree Bree. It's so hot.
guys. Eh, bating.
Parang mga 1 minute lang tayo dito, tapos papasok na.
Hindi ko kaya iinit.
Same. I cannot with the heat. If my aunt saw this, they will say, ay, yung arte mo
You
naman.
borrow glove from them.
No, I don't want. It's smelly.
Hindi. Ano siya? The glove smell. Ano.
Wow!
Dang. Guys, I remember when I was in grade school, we played cha-cha. You know,
Para James!
I'm playing cha-cha.
How do you play cha-cha, bro?
Cha-cha is like baseball. You throw, there's bola, and the bola is soft. It's papel, but it's not that soft. Like, sakto lang.
How do you play it?
You throw, and the other side will throw, and then you will sipa. Yeah.
May payong na ako, guys.
And then there's 4 bases over there, and then you have to make home run. I remember in grade school, I was so batak. I was a pass runner. But then now, shit, I lost my touch because ayoko, tang ina.
Okay, di mag-bread ka.
Si Yara daw mag-bat!
No, I'm not knowing how to.
Guys,
Oh guys, there's that.
may bat ako. Bat ako ini.
Guys, ano man yan, ang corny. Ay,
Witay natin batin.
Ikaw muna.
guys,
Go, guys!
gusto ko
Si Paul,
mag-try.
nagbabat si Paul.
Pwede mag-try.
O, di ba gusto na ni Yara?
O mag-bat. Gusto ko mag-bat. Tapos nagtama pala sa mukha ni John Ray na double kill.
Paano?
Double spray.
Yan, mag-bat.
Because hindi kasi if mag-hit ka tapos hindi nagtama, parang may strike man yan. Na mag-strike ka na,
You look at Paul.
I think 3 times lang yan.
Paul, patapon yung glove. Alex.
Strike yun ganon. If hindi mo like if mag-hit ka, tapos hindi nagtama, mag-strike yan. Yeah, that's how you play cha-cha too. If you kick and then it did not hit, can I ano?
You go play. Are you
I
left
want
or
bat.
right-handed?
I'm right. I'm right.
Si Yara daw!
Yun na, pwede yun.
Ha?
Pwede yun.
Sobrang beer.
Iganon niya ka.
Oh, malapit na. Si Yara. Uy, iPad mo.
iPad mo!
Natan iPad pa din eh.
No! No, yung buta lang siya.
Abot-abot.
Bongga gayon.
Go, Yara!
Tamenek.
Janet, tatago ako sa likod mo.
Hindi na ako makabat. Wala na ako sa prime. Nagtatago si Yuri sa likod ni Jaren.
Mainit talaga.
If you saw me in grade school, I can meet up to that.
Ay, si Yara nagbabat.
First white boy, galing dun sa...
Go in the...
Hindi ko kaya yung init.
Shit, wala ko pa. Kung mainitan ako, baka wag lang ako magbaho. Go, dog! Ah, shit! Nakita ko talaga yung gigil sa bunga ngayon. Sabi niya,
Mabigat.
wala pa dear, wag dear. I-target mo yung mat, Ding.
Ikaw ba?
Pero di natin pa buta-buta.
No!
Shortcut, die! Benvirgin buta, darling.
3-1.
Strike, ball 3 na.
Dito ko sa
Ball!
Ano
Die!
ba yan? Nagro-throw! Hindi nagro-throw ng ball eh.
Walk!
Grabe, apat na tao kasya sa isa.
Kino-cover lang kasi yung sun. Si Yuri, oh my god. Nalito. Nagro-throw ng bola.
Picturean mo nga kami sa iPad ni Yara.
Then.
Then, parang ibang clubs. Then,
Mga vloggers. Yeah. John
ball.
Tama!
Kanina pa si Yara naghihintay. Jarel, itaas mo pa.
Diba, hindi ka masyado amina.
Hindi kami natatakpan. One umbrella, five.
Wala, Ding! Wala bakit, Ding! Ding, sobra ya, Ding!
Sino ang nagtatapon?
Di alam na. As a coach, I'm so disappointed. Grabe, daming tao sa likod ah. Go! Pitch! Go! Go, pitch, go. Di, kaliente, manggat deer. Porque botar litat kasi sila to.
Uy!
Sige, be! Sino
Try ko
nagtatapon?
mag-pitch.
Sino nagtatapon?
Kakao pitch.
Mas mukha kang beach.
Uy, Jarel, taasin mo pa, Jarel.
ha.
Jarel.
C-O-L.
Oh.
Ba't ka na? Naiinis na si Yara.
Go, Yara!
Masunburn na ako dito.
Tira mo lang siya.
Go!
Yara, tirain mo!
Gusto ko lang mag-ganon.
May yatin ko nini.
Eh ako pa na
Guys, I'm the best at timing. No. Oh, wait.